So I'm just about to leave work and go home. But the question of what will we eat is the one that just keeps every working mom's head just turning every single day. So in today's video, I'm going to show you just favorite meals that I like to cook, like when I'm coming from work and I'm tired, I have no time, 30 minutes tops. Amazing. Let's do this. But first, today's date night. I'm meeting my amazing roommate and husband for early dinner because it's afternoon now. And then we'll go home and cook. Yay! My makeup is completely just all over the place. And I need to look good for date night. Yes. I'm feeling quite conscious about filming at work, but oh well. I really don't like filming in public, you guys. But anyway, everybody has left, so check out my outfit of the day. Beautiful. And then I'm taking a cab to go meet my date. Yeah, he had a pizza and I am going to have a giant salad at CJ's and then head on home. Today for dinner, I am making beans in coconut stew. You know this, we love this. The kids love it. It's basically our most favorite way to have beans. And because we had boiled the beans in advance and put them in the freezer, it is a very quick dish to make. And my audience is so here waiting to do it with me. I think being away from the kids and then because when I go to work, it's nice. It's a nice break for me. I think for working moms, sometimes being at home, it can be a bit overwhelming. You know, the kids all over, everybody needs your attention and everything. So I enjoy it when I'm at work. But now also when I'm at work, I miss them. You know, like the dichotomy of it all. So I love when we hang out in the kitchen when we are cooking. Do you like whey?
Yes.
All these recipes will be on our website, guys. Everything written down. You can print it. So handy dandy, accessible to you. So don't worry. If you need to know exactly how I'm making the beans stew or the chapatis, kindly just head on over there. I'll put a link in the description box and the show notes everywhere. Now we're having this beans stew with chapati, and I know chapati may not be considered a quick meal by some, but I like it as a meal during the week because who doesn't love chapati, okay? And then I make it easier by preparing the dough in advance because the dough freezes so well, and then you can pull it out of the freezer the night before and it will have thawed by the time you come from work the next day if you're working out of the home. Or you can even buy ready-made chapatis to store in the fridge or freezer. I think for me, the key thing is to make cooking easier and convenient and an enjoyable experience for you and for your family and your loved ones. Oh yeah, guys, the dance-off must happen. I dare you to listen to Israel Houghton's Te Amo song without dancing. I dare you. You cannot. That song is just, So this was supposed to take 45 minutes. I had figured since I had made the dough in advance, No, it was supposed to take 30 minutes. And right now I am 45 minutes in. I'm almost done, but I think it's because my dough was a bit too much. I don't know. So yeah, people are hungry, but we're making the best of the situation and having fun. So I think if you're going to make chapatis, just make a smaller dough. Because normally when you make chapatis, you want to make some for dinner and tomorrow lunch, and that might not work in 30 minutes. Maybe just enough for one meal. Like 10 pieces or so. So yeah, well, lesson learned. But I'm almost done. I'm on my last one. Then I make the kids gingerbread men and stars and hearts. And then we eat. My sister-in-law sent these cookie cutters for the kids. And they're set with the roller and everything. And we love them. It's safe to say this meal was a hit. We love it. After dinner, more dancing. So I'm home from work, I've showered, I'm ready to cook. Everything has been prepared for me, but I help. So this should take literally 30 minutes. What I'm making for tonight is matoke with beef stew. And the matoke I'm making is matoke in peanut sauce, which is mwah. It's been so long since we've had it. And together with that, I'm making some beef stew, minced beef, which I'm already drying there on the stove. But first, let me show you what we need for the matoke. I'm really hoping this will only take 30 minutes because we have a fun evening planned. Okay, here's what I need. So matoke, for those who might not be aware, are green cooking bananas. So I kept this here just to show you. So we've already peeled them and washed them. They're ready for cooking. And then I'm going to use onions, garlic, ginger, 1 cup of peanut butter. Then I have salt, turmeric, cumin seed, and tomatoes. That's it. This cooks very fast. So I'm going to be cooking this together simultaneously with the beef stew. One hack I have learned from making matoke in peanut sauce is to actually use peanut butter instead of grinding peanuts down and using peanut powder, because peanut butter gives me such a smooth finish. And yeah, that's just a hack if you'd like to try this meal. Matoke is so delicious. It is so healthy. We love it so much. It is a mostly Ugandan and Kenyan dish, also sometimes cooked in Tanzania. It's delicious. These recipes are quick and easy for the busy mom who's had a long day at work or at home and they need yummy food on the table like ASAP. Because, we're all about making motherhood magical here, guys. Another thing I've done to make busy mom lives easier is to make a monthly meal plan and grocery list. If you haven't heard about it, I love it because it just has everything prepared for you. The meal plan, a new meal plan every month. It has a grocery list with ingredients, everything that you'll need for that month, the amounts and everything, and the recipes. Guys, yes, I am literally loving how this is making life easier for busy moms. And if you're interested, I'm going to put it in the pinned comment. Check it out. This meal smells so good, you guys. Oh my goodness. And it is so tasty. We are really, really enjoying this matoke and beef stew. What? And all this, some greens. I like, as far as greens are concerned, I like to have greens already made in the fridge because it makes sure that the meal is faster and yeah, it's balanced. We love it. During the week, we like to have 30 minutes of reading every evening after dinner because we're really trying to inculcate a culture of reading to our kids. So we all sit together, silent reading, no one talking. Our last one is 5, he's about to turn 6, so he can't read quite yet. So sometimes he'll do some drawing, sometimes he'll do a puzzle. Yeah, we love it so much. It's day 3 and I am making a yummy sausage stew that we absolutely love. Also, can you tell I love this hoodie because lol. So we like to eat sausages at least once a month. And most actually, and this month I decided to make a sausage stew. I've made this sausage stew before and we really, really love it. And we're going to have it with ugali. Anyone recognize this whey protein from last week's video? So guys, I made a bunch of yogurt. In case you missed last week's video, you need to check it out because we made a bunch of homemade yogurts that tastes way better than ice cream. So delicious, so good. And in the process harvested quite a bit of whey, and I will not be throwing my whey down the drain because whey is full of protein. So I'm using it in everything, you guys. I'm boiling rice with it. I'm making ugali with it. I'm making oatmeal with it. Every single thing. I'm not wasting a single drop of this whey. In my most recent freezer meal video, I showed how I made this creamed spinach. And yeah, we're having it today with the ugali and the sausage stew. I love creamed spinach, you guys. But I'm curious to see whether our kids are going to love it. Let's wait and see.
I like to game.
Me too.
I don't like game.
It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt.
Tonight's activity is puzzles. We love puzzles. And yeah, I think it came out quite well.
It's so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time.
It's Saturday morning and we have gone for soccer. Nowadays we live and breathe soccer. And today it was the parents versus the kids. And of course, your girl represented you very, very well. Okay? Let me know in the comment section whether you play any sport. Back home now, and I'm making the quickest stir-fry chicken with noodles. and I'm going to fry the chicken breast in chunks as I boil the egg noodles according to the instructions on the box for the egg noodles. I'm not such a fan of spaghetti, but you can use spaghetti for this meal as well. But I love egg noodles. We bought the egg noodles from Carrefour. They are so good, you guys. And then after boiling them, it's just so important to put them in cold water so that they don't stick together. Yeah, and then I'm just going to fry the vegetables, whichever vegetables you're using, and then add chicken and the soy sauce, oyster sauce, all the ingredients that you'll see on their website, and then I'll add the noodles. And I think for me this might be the quickest dish of the week, because at the end I'm just going to add a little sesame seeds to garnish, and boom bam boom, dinner is ready. Kids are excited. I am also very excited about it. Yes.
I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. Child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
So I've been doing this thing where I have a consistent workout schedule for the week, and it's Saturday night and I'm like, no way, I still have to get in my weight workout, my third weight workout of the week. So don't worry, your girl has not gone mad. I'm just working out. Even if it's Saturday night, I have to do it. It's Sunday, and after church we decided to take the kids out for lunch. And we're all super excited. We love going out. We don't do it as often because, you know, with Dave Ramsey, he's really helping us to get our finances in order. But once in a while, it's fun. They love KFC, so why not? You know, it's lapped. It saves me cooking time. It's a win-win situation. No dishes to wash. What's not to love?
Just hold on tight.